Joan, you are the winner.
Congratulations to our Show Some Love giveaway
We have a
winner.
winner, Joan Schultz from New Jersey. I hope that you're excited because you are the winner of our Show Some Love giveaway today. You know, it's been a blessing to look forward to presenting our coffee pot today, our 12 cup uh, coffee maker, and I'm just looking forward to it. I hope you will go down in the description box. You will find my email and you will email your pertinent information so I can get your love box to you. I'm so looking forward to the next time we have a giveaway right here on the channel. So, have a blessed and wonderful Valentine's Day.
I hope you have enjoyed our short Valentine video today. And this was an opportunity for me to show a little love to someone else. You know, it's always better to give than to receive. Now, I hope you will take a moment and change out your coffee bar, Joan, and that you will have a real exciting time of being able to have, number one, a great hot cup of coffee, but number two, every time you look at this device, that you will see the love that I wanted to share with you. Now, our world is big, but our hearts are bigger. So let's give each other a bit of love.
Planning, cooking, and decorating are the things that I do in my kitchen all the time. And if you like those types of things, I invite you to join the Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme family, because this is where we work hard, we love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. So right now, go down to the subscribe button and click on it. Also, while you're there, tap that little bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you will know. Also, you may also go down into the description box and take a look at some of my favorite Amazon items. And I list those types of things all the time because as I use them, I invite you to use them also. So, there's a nice running list of things there. I hope you have had a wonderful time in the kitchen, and I hope that you will continue to be a part of the Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme family. I have certainly enjoyed your presence.